像个真的人，对不对？啊。
Man, you on the playground?
Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
What's up, Mr. Cool?
If you could change one thing about yourself, you're not gonna change.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
She did.
I love
Seriously?
Hey, Peanut. Come here. No, stupid. What are you doing to Bo? Are you okay, Bo?
I'm dying.
Hey, don't you bark at me, bitch!
Ding dong. Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay?
Questi gatti... bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo! Ah... Sorry.
What the fuck?
Can you show me your booty?
Not to be afraid to really open yourself up to the possibility.
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
Lesbians. Oops.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
De la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir en los brazos.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
They're so cute! Oh my god!
No!
Next time you get fucking fired from your job, I'm whooping your ass. Fuck you too! I don't care!
family makes me want to murder people.
She literally stops at the same time.
Him wet. You want something to eat?
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's want. Guitar.
Reggie, don't eat him.
See now, she don't know what she doing. She tripping over. Exactly.
Bentley! Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the back.
Inside. Wanna come in?
No bite.
That power stance. What is this? What kind of house do we live in?
Right.
Love one of a kind. Love what makes you feel love.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
Bentley has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you. Oh.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch him.
Shit.
Whoa.
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Rispondi a questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father.
Good job!
Walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa.
Iris, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
Hey, let me get one too. Let me hold one.
Yeah, man, right there. What the dog do?
How men talk to dogs.
Hey, buddy, you good boy.
How women talk to dogs.
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Yo vine. Fue a esto. She's chewing on your tail, man. I don't think he wants it.
Alright, show us how you go down the stairs.
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's want. Guitar.
Jaden, go side.
Happy birthday, Poppy.
Sit. What a good boy.
See you, man. Good hanging out, brother.
Can you protect me more quietly? Thank you.
Enjoy. Come here, cheese. Oh my god. Bailey, are you sad? No.
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show up.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
It's okay. It's okay.
Another one.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
What are you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my god.
Stop. Stop.
What's the problem?
Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no, 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 no.
What the is that? Oh my god.
Here, girls. Ow, are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi.
Hey!
Mila! Mila! Good boy.
Online privacy protection.
Next time you get fucking fired from your job, I'm whooping your ass. Fuck you too! I don't care!
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
I will always love you. How I do.
Show me your cheese. Oh my god.
Oh, yes. I'll take one boot, please.
He's like a goldfish.
said. No.
What did you do? What did you do?
High five. Too slow.
Can you guys sit? How do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
The new generation, you know what they were playing? 4.
Drop it. Aww. Oh my god. Stop!
Maybe I might be.
Guess what, baby? I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for existing.
Three, two, one. Jeez.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
How to speak my dog's language.
Stop. Okay.
Where are you two? You're gonna go time out if you keep it up. Do you understand me?
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Can you give me a burp?
Sit. Nope. Sit. Okay, I'm waiting on you, buddy. Sit. Ah, you maple!
Riley. Look at me.
The door is Mars.
Go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Somebody dog. That's my dog. But
Why are you so afraid of that?
How the fuck did you get up there? Oh my god!
Too much fur, Mika. Look, what's all that? Yeah, that's your fur.
Mika!
Oh,
The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y andas de pinche cochina. Lesbians. Oops. honey.
Oh, it says beware.
Still asleep, little boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning.
That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
What the fuck? Don't flip!
What the is that?
Did you miss Alina?
What the is that?
Oh. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
I want the other one.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Hey, fuck! And you on the playground?
And then what happened? Mama didn't let you. Oh no.
No bite.
Here we go.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
At the moment, dude, I'm a little indisposed.
Hey, can you guys sit?
Paw. Give me a motherfucking paw. Give me the fucking paw. Paw. Good boy.
You're adopted. Stop, I'm joking.
Too much fur, Mika. Look, what's all that? Yeah, that's your fur.
Mika!
Donna! Oh my god. He's a real Mexican.
Fine.
Enjoy.
Give me a cheese.
No.
Oh my god.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
Walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
Oh my god. She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
Odie May! Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding.
Happy Wednesday, Poppy.
Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my god!
Parkour!
Hey, let me go on too. Hey, let me hold on. Yeah, he's man right there. What the dog do?
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father help! Officer, how you doing? Sir. Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir, Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So, somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog.
If you eat this piece of pizza, you don't make it into heaven.
Stop.
Miles, what are you doing?
He's pretty.
Riley, look at me.
Like, I.
What? What's wrong? Can I get a whisper? Oh, that's not a whisper. Can I get a whisper? Good job.
You've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Are you standing in the water again? Drake. Wait, are you standing too? What? No!
Hey, it's gone. What?
Stop! Stop!
Smiling girl. Toffee.
Alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again.
Ow, what are you doing?
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly, bitch.
What are you doing? Not to fair, sorry. Stop! Stop!
Captured the cutest thing ever.
I'm gonna take him home. Baby, can we get him?
Gonna do what about it and how gonna do what about it.
Tommy, no!
What are you doing there, sir?
Hello. What's wrong?
My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Lui! Oh my god.
Che questi cattivi. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah.
Like, I. Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my god!
So I was talking to Anthony. Spider! Spider! Where's the spider?
Okay, please.
And so this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
Hey, let me go one too. Let me hold on. Yeah, he's a man right there. What the dog do?
Oh.
Kevin, why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it. Like,
He's gonna bite you, bro.
That's my spot. Oh shit.
That butt. Let me spank that butt.
He's gonna bite you, bro.
We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father.
Good job! No.
what is going on in front of us? What is going on?
How the fuck did you get up there? Oh my god!
Oh.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you.
Ay, cuidado.
Bentley! Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
No. You?
Oh god!
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
It's Mama!
Wait. Tito, what do you have? No.
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Aren't you supposed to do something?
No! No! Winchester, squeak that damn thing one more time and I swear to God I'll put you outside. Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!